Hello. I'm delivering a message today to someone, but I don't know who you are. I just a message I'm passing on. I don't know who that person is, but it's a general message that I'm passing on. So please just take your time, listen to this. This is HOB here for you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do. If you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And please, there is a red button on your screen. Click on that just to subscribe to us. You don't have to pay money for that anyway, it's free. And there's also a notifying bell. You have to click on that to notify you whenever we upload the new video. You get the alert. Thank you, and please don't forget your comment. I don't know why I'm making this video. I'm not supposed to make video now, but right, I was somewhere in the room and something just told me go shoot this. It might be a message for you, I don't know. It might be a message for others, I don't know, but just listen. It's just a general message. What I want to say now is that some people are so much in pains. They could be in pains from broken relationship. It could be betrayal from friends. It could just be anything, but I'm not bothered about what it is. What I want to tell you now, whatever the situation is, just calm down and know that there is always a step to climb. There is always a way to go. And one thing, you have to fall to get up. If you don't fall, if you fall and you don't stand up, that means you are not equal to it. If you fall, try put yourself all together, look at your back, your sides, and stand up again. Everybody out there is great in their own ways. You are very great in your own ways. Don't ever, that's one thing you must not do. Don't ever look down on yourself. Don't ever think there's something others are doing that you cannot do. You have the zeal. It is there in you. You can do even more than what you think others are doing. Just put yourself together. Arrange yourself in a very suitable way. Think of what you have to do. Think of where you have to be. Think of where you have to go. Look back and think of people that you have to help. There are so many people who look upon you. You might just think you are flying in your own ways or just going and doing things. But there are so many people out there that admire your ways. They look at you, they want to be like you. They want to wear your shoes, the kind of shoes that you wear. So don't ever be discouraged. It could be in place of work. You might not be doing so good in your place of work. Or you might be doing excellently well in your place of work. But what I want to tell you today, whatever it is, wherever it is coming from, if it's your home, if it's friends, relationship, marriage, I'll tell you something. So many people out there, ladies, men, they cry out every day. They want to be married. They just keep asking God, why me? Why have I not seen the man? Why are the men not coming? And even the men start asking, why have I not seen a good wife? Why are the women not coming? One thing I've discovered, if you keep rushing yourself over things, you won't be settled. Just take it one step at a time. And whatever you have to do, just always know that you have to pray. You have to ask God for direction. Because most times we tell ourselves, God don't talk to us. He does talk to us daily. Every day he talks to us. Even in our mission, in places we go, in what we do, he talks. But because we are so busy, because we have decided to, block our ears, because we have decided to just go our own ways, we think he's not talking. In your own silent moment, in your room, it could be in your bathroom, it could be in your kitchen. Just try to, x-ray your life. X-ray your life, calm down a little bit. Just one or two things, think. And you will hear that voice. You will hear someone will talk to you. Not like just calling your name, Mary, Kate, Thomas. No, your thoughts. There will always be something that will assist you. I'll tell you something. Most times some people are in problems. They start thinking, how do I solve this situation? Where do I go from here? They think and just immerse themselves in thoughts. Your thought can just seal a lot of things in you. It can seal your vision. It can seal so many things. It cannot even make you, think of the next thing to do. So please always know that there's a being, there's somebody, there's God who sees everything that we do. He's there. He stretches out his hands. He helps us. So don't just think you are alone in most things you are doing. You carry yourself. I'm not a preacher. I'm not. I'm not a preacher at all. I'm not a preacher. I speak. I've gotten this gift long ago, not now. I've been able to calm people down. I've been able to talk to people. I've been able to do a lot of things in people's life. It's not by my own power I do these things. I just do them because I get the directions to do. So in terms of advising, I'm also very good in that. It's just a gift. So I knew this long ago. So whatever it is, just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And always know that you are never, never, never alone. What do you want people to remember you for? What do you want people to think about you? And I will always tell some people out there, especially those that don't really take care of themselves. They just wait and say till tomorrow, next, another tomorrow. No. Look at yourself as a special being. Celebrate yourself. So you don't have to look for all the big money or the big things to celebrate yourself. Just know that this is me, and this is me, and this is me. Take time out there to really, really treat yourself. It could be just even little amount. It could just be flour. What I do every week, I get myself a bunch of flour. I treat myself with that because when I see it spreads out in my living room, it gives me lots of joy. I've been doing this for years. I don't have to wait for anyone to buy me. So if you now decide to buy me one with what I have, bravo. I just take it as that. So treat yourself. You don't have to wait for big money to treat yourself. You don't have to wait for special occasions to wear those lovely clothes to go and dance before you know you have to treat yourself. There are ways you treat yourself. There are ways you carry yourself. There are things you just do that makes you unique. That is you. That is your own signature. So we all have it. You have it. I have it. She has it. He has it. So it's there in every child. It's there in every man. It's there in every woman. It's there in everyone out there. So don't ever sit and say, oh, it's finished. It is never finished until it's completely finished. As far as you have the breath in you, as far as you have the life in you, as far as you can sleep and wake up, it is never finished. When you turn around and see people, so many people some are sick. Some can't even eat food. They pray to God every day. God, just give me just little energy to eat this food. Why some can't even drink water? The same water you see freely. You just pour in a cup and drink. The same food you see, and you just take it and eat. So why do you keep brooding? Like in one of my videos, I said it's never enough. Never enough. We all know. Even if we have the world, even if we have everything all around us, it's never enough. It's never enough. So wherever you are, whatever it is, be calm. Take it easy. So you don't punch yourself with those negative things. You can start thinking and thinking. Before you know, your blood pressure builds up. At the end of the day, you now be on medication. So please take things easy. Anything you see or anything you are doing that you feel is not helping, cut it off. A lot of distractions coming. Any day you wake up, always ask God, take distraction away from me. I do it. Anything that's going to cause me distraction, clear it off my path. Because so many things can distract you. It could come from your home. It could come from friends. It could come from neighbors. It could even come from your immediate family. You understand what I mean? So please, let's keep going. One thing at a time. We can't have it all. Even if we kill ourselves from now to tomorrow, what is supposed to be due us is due us. Try what you have to try. Do what you have to do. And just leave the rest. And let me tell you, some people wake again and start jumping up and down. When they hear, oh, my friend is doing this thing, or somebody that I know is doing this thing, they jump, they want to do that thing. Everybody wants to do what the other person is doing. It doesn't work like that. I know we are all trying, we are all struggling, we are strugglers anyway. So we continue to struggle in our own little ways that we can and leave the rest to God, because at the end of the day, we'll be fine. We did. We'll be fine. So, like I said, look after yourself, treat yourself, celebrate yourself. Every time, celebrate yourself, because you don't have to wait for something to happen. People start trooping into your house, one or the other, to say, oh, sorry. No, don't wait for that. Celebrate yourself every day, because we don't have control over our lives. We don't. We don't. My viewers out there, thank you so much for listening. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your subscription. And for those that make comments every time, I don't know what to say. Just thank you to thank you. And if you are yet to subscribe, please, there's a red button there. You click on that, the thumbs up, and the notifying bell. Join us in this beautiful family. It's a beautiful family, so be proud to be part of us. Thank you so much. I hope to see you very soon again. Thank you.